Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a hunting sniper modded version for your device. So this will give you everything for free gold. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So there's also like skip ads, VIP. It's super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So if you enjoy hunting sniper, you're going to love this. So I'm going to turn on unlimited gold and it should start to go up. So let's see if it works or not. Come on, bro. Feed me. Yo, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this hunting sniper modded version for your device. So it fully works. So let's get straight into the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your phone. All right, so the first thing we got to do is go to our browser and go to tweakmod.com. So this is a website with like all the apps, like modded versions. So type in hunting sniper, press install. And now we have to do a verification at the end where we have to download 2 apps. And we need to complete the instructions of the apps. They're completely free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. All right, so it's almost done. So let's just give it a second to load up here, as you can see. All right, so we should be good to go. So I'm just letting it load. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. Now, I do want to mention, guys, that there's going to be different apps for everyone. So I'm in the United States, so these are the ones for me. So Misplay, downstall, play 4 games, TikTok, whatever. So just press on the app. It'll bring you to the store and just do what it says. So the text now says install and make a 30-second call within 24 hours. Misplay says downstall, play 4 games, 5 minutes. TikTok, downstall, use 3 days. So just do 3 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. And you'll get the hunting sniper mod, guys. It's so cool. So yeah, there's lots of settings in here. VIP, skip ads, a lot of great options. So if you're a hunting sniper fan, you're gonna love this modded version, guys. It fully works. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead, subscribe to the channel. This is so crazy and it's totally updated. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been looking for something like this for quite a while. So I was pretty excited when I actually found one that worked. So yeah, the verification might suck, but it's worth it in the end because you're rich. So yeah, there's all these other apps you can do as well. So if one of them is not tickling your fancy, you could do a different one. But yeah, that's how to get the hunting sniper mod. Just go to settings and go to battery and turn off low power mode. That's one thing that can screw with you if you have the low power mode enabled. But I'm going to see you guys later, so be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, because this fully works, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.